listen. Practice, speak. Practice makes you perfect.
Good morning. How are you today? Could you please pass me the salt? I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. Can you repeat it? What time is the meeting scheduled for? I'll be there in 5 minutes. Just wait for me. Did you have a good weekend? Congratulations on your new job. Let's grab lunch together tomorrow. Can you help me with this math problem? What's your favorite type of music? I'm running late. Can we reschedule our appointment? Please make yourself at home. I can't believe it's already Friday. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? It's so hot today. I wish it would cool down. I love the smell of fresh coffee in the morning. What's your favorite book or movie? I'm looking forward to the weekend. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Have you ever been to Paris? Could you repeat that? I didn't hear you clearly. I need to buy some groceries after work. What do you do for a living? I have a dentist appointment tomorrow morning. How was your day at work/school? The weather is perfect for a picnic. I need to update my resume for the job application. Let's go for a walk in the park. What's your favorite way to relax after a long day? Can I have the bill, please? I'm sorry for the confusion. Let me clarify. What's the Wi-Fi password here? I'm not feeling well. I might take a sick day tomorrow. Do you have any plans for the weekend? I enjoyed the movie we watched last night. It's been a while since we last met. How have you been? I'll pick you up at the airport tomorrow. Where did you go on your last vacation? Let's plan a trip together sometime. I need to renew my library books. Thank you for helping me with the chores. Can you recommend a good restaurant in the area? I can't believe it's already December. What's your favorite season? Let's go shopping for new clothes this weekend. I need to find a new gym to join. I love spending time with my family. Do you have any dietary restrictions I should know about? I'm thinking of redecorating my living room. Any suggestions? Did you catch the latest episode of that TV show? I need to update my computer software. Let's meet up for a cup of coffee sometime. What do you think about the current political situation? Can you recommend a good movie to watch? I'm thinking of adopting a pet. Any suggestions? The traffic was terrible this morning. I'm trying to cut down on caffeine. Could you lend me a hand with these groceries? I have a dentist appointment later today. How do you like to spend your weekends? I'm not a morning person, I need my coffee first. Let's go for a jog in the park. Have you ever tried cooking Thai food? I have a lot on my plate right now. Do you prefer texting or calling? I'm looking forward to the upcoming holiday. Can I borrow your umbrella? It might rain later. What's your favorite childhood memory? Let's organize a potluck dinner with friends. I'm trying to learn a new language. I misplaced my keys again. It's so frustrating. Do you believe in second chances? The presentation is scheduled for 2 p.m. I'm attending a conference next week. Let's go to the beach this weekend. My car is in the shop for repairs. What's your go-to comfort food? Can you recommend a good podcast to listen to? I forgot to set my alarm clock this morning. I need to renew my subscription to the newspaper. It's my friend's birthday next week. Any gift ideas? I have a dentist appointment next week. I enjoy going for a walk in nature. The weather forecast predicts rain tomorrow. I'm planning to redecorate my bedroom. Let's go to a museum this weekend. I have a job interview next Monday. Could you pass me the remote control? I'm trying to cut down on sugary snacks. What's your favorite type of exercise? I'm so tired. I need a good night's sleep. Let's have a picnic in the park. I need to fix a leaky faucet in the bathroom. What's your opinion on social media? Can you recommend a good book to read? I enjoy listening to classical music. I'm considering starting a new hobby. Let's plan a weekend getaway. I'm thinking of starting a new fitness routine. I'm trying to cut down on screen time before bed. What's your favorite type of dessert? Let's try a new restaurant for dinner tonight. I need to organize my closet this weekend. Can you help me choose an outfit for the party? I have a dentist appointment later this month. Have you ever taken a cooking class? Let's go to the farmer's market on Saturday. I enjoy watching the sunset by the beach. What's your favorite type of cuisine? I need to buy a birthday present for my sister. Let's plan a movie night with friends. Can you recommend a good workout routine? I'm considering getting a gym membership. I have a doctor's appointment next week. Let's have a barbecue in the backyard. What's your favorite type of flower? I'm thinking of volunteering at a local charity. I need to schedule a haircut soon. Can you give me directions to the nearest post office? Let's go for a hike this weekend. I'm planning to start a home garden. What's your favorite outdoor activity? I enjoy listening to podcasts during my commute. I have a meeting scheduled for later today. Let's plan a weekend road trip. What's your favorite way to relax after work? Can you recommend a good documentary to watch? I'm trying to reduce my carbon footprint. Let's have a picnic in the park on Sunday. I need to buy a gift for a baby shower. What's your favorite type of art? I'm considering adopting a pet from the shelter. I have a dentist appointment next month. Let's go to a music festival this summer. I'm thinking of learning to play a musical instrument. Can you recommend a good recipe for dinner? I need to schedule a checkup with my doctor. What's your favorite type of pizza? Let's go to a comedy show this weekend. I'm planning to visit a museum downtown. Have you ever tried meditation for relaxation? I have a work conference to attend next month. Let's go to a local art gallery. What's your favorite type of exercise class? I'm considering taking a photography course. Can you recommend a good place to get coffee? I need to renew my library card. Let's plan a day at the beach. I'm thinking of trying a new hairstyle. I'm planning to attend a yoga class this week. Let's explore a new hiking trail on Saturday. What's your favorite type of summer activity? I need to pick up some essentials from the grocery store. Can you suggest a good movie streaming service? I enjoy going for a bike ride in the evenings. Let's organize a game night with friends. I have a dentist appointment in a couple of weeks. What's your go-to comfort food when you're stressed? I'm considering redecorating my home office. I need to find a reliable mechanic for my car. Let's plan a visit to the botanical garden. What's your favorite type of ice cream flavor? I'm thinking of joining a local book club. Can you recommend a good place for a weekend getaway? I enjoy watching documentaries about nature. I have a doctor's appointment next month. Let's have a barbecue at the park. What's your favorite type of seafood? I'm planning to start a weekly jogging routine. I need to update my computer software. Let's go to a live music concert this weekend. I'm thinking of organizing a potluck dinner. Can you suggest a good spot for a picnic? I have a work meeting scheduled for Monday. What's your favorite type of sandwich? I'm considering taking up painting as a hobby. Let's plan a day trip to the mountains. I need to find a good recipe for a dinner party. Can you recommend a reliable plumber? I enjoy going for a swim at the local pool. I have a dentist appointment in the coming weeks. Let's go to a local street market on Sunday. What's your favorite type of chocolate? I'm thinking of trying a new workout routine. I need to organize my home workspace. Let's plan a visit to the Science Museum. I'm considering taking a dance class. What's your favorite type of fruit? I'm planning to visit a historical landmark. Let's go to a comedy club this Friday. I have a doctor's checkup in the near future. What's your favorite type of salad? I'm thinking of joining a photography club. Let's have a movie marathon at home. I need to find a reliable electrician. Can you suggest a good place for brunch? I enjoy going for a jog in the park. What's your favorite type of soup? I'm planning to attend a cooking class soon. Let's plan a visit to the art gallery downtown. I'm considering taking a weekend pottery workshop. What's your favorite type of pasta dish? I need to organize my schedule for the upcoming week.